Okay, when did you started for preparing for level 2, and how was the overall journey?
I started with credit risk book first, and then
Then?
operational risk book.
Which book you were facing big problems?
I was investment risk. I find it difficult.
Okay, because
It
of the
was
calculation. When did you started mocks?
completed by I given 4 mocks. It completed by 5th of May. 10 to 15 questions were very difficult. I was not able to get which one is correct from 2 options. I can eliminate 2 options.
In this entire journey, I know you had faced a lot of problems with respect to confidence, and also,
Yes.
can you talk about that? What happened? What challenges you faced? Hello guys, I hope everybody is doing good. Hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also have students who are preparing for their competitive exams in finance like CFA, FRM, SEC, and SCR. And today I have with me one of my students who has been able to clear the FRM Level 2 attempt, okay, in the last May 2025 exam, and he's been able to clear it in the first attempt. He's going to be talking about his journey of clearing for the exam, his challenges, and how he was able to manage all of those challenges. So, Om, thank you very much for taking out time.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Okay. So, Om, so you cleared level 1 in May 2025 or 4?
4, yes,
Right.
sir.
From that day onwards, okay, when did you started for preparing for level 2, and how was the overall journey?
Sir, I started preparing for level 2 in September. From September, and I purchased your live lecture plus recorded lecture course, and started preparing for level 2 attempt.
Okay. And which book you started with?
I started with credit risk book first, and then
Then?
operational risk book, liquidity risk book, investment risk book, and
Okay.
current issues.
Current issues. Okay. And when you were going through the content, so you were attending the lecture,
I was attending the lecture.
watching the video,
Yes.
and were you solving the question bank also
Yes.
at the same time?
Yes. I have seen first recorded videos,
Okay.
then attend live lecture, then read book, then I read chapter book, and I started chapter wise question bank from January. I completed by 31st March.
Okay, so in 3 months you solved all the chapters question.
Yes.
And when did you complete the first round of watching the video for all the chapters?
March. By
March itself.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And which book you were facing big problems?
I was investment risk. I find it difficult.
Okay, because of the calculation.
Hi, because of calculation, because of alpha and
Alpha, beta, and
yes.
all. Okay. What about credit risk, market risk? You're comfortable with that book?
Market risk you taught very well, sir. I like market risk book.
Okay.
I got lower marks, but it was very helpful for me. Market risk, it is very easy book, I think so, in my opinion.
Okay. And how did you manage operation risk, liquidity? Because they're theory, no? Heavy
Yes.
books. I think so 45, 50 chapters. So how
Yes.
did you manage that book?
I only read, sir. Whatever you said, I follow that. I read books. I watched videos, attend live lectures, and read books as much as possible.
Okay. How many times you must have seen the video?
Recorded video once, live lecture one.
Okay. So it's only once, basically.
Yes,
Okay.
once.
And
For some chapters, twice also.
some difficult chapters you have seen the video.
Yes.
But after 31st of March, how did you manage the entire April? What were you doing?
By 31st March, my first reading was over.
Right.
Recorded lectures are also over for all the chapters. Then I started watching crash course, and also again I was reading books.
Okay.
Till from 1st April to 31st April, I completed all the crash course and one time reading of all books.
Okay. So entire April was only in revision.
Yes, and I was solving sectional test also. In between.
Sectional test. And when did you started mocks?
I started mocks first on 1st May.
Okay.
And I given 4 mocks. It completed by 5th of May.
So every day you were giving the
Yes,
mocks?
yes.
And these were Fintelligent mocks or the GARP sample paper?
2 was Fintelligent, 2 was
GARP sample paper. Okay.
Yes.
What was the average score you were getting?
In Fintelligent.
Both mocks out of 80. How
I
much
was
correct?
able to get 51, 52.
Okay, 50 and 52 correct in
Yes.
guard sample paper also.
Yes.
Okay, and what was the confidence level after giving the mock papers?
I know that I will pass. The confidence level was
It was there. Okay,
it was there.
okay. After the mock papers, what were you doing? What happened?
Then after mock paper, I again started reading books. I started reading book of
Okay,
all
and that when was your exam date?
17th of May.
Okay, so from 5th May to 17th May, you were just reading it again
Yes.
entirely.
And going through formula
Formulas also. Okay.
daily.
In this entire journey, I know you had faced a lot of problems with respect to confidence, and also,
Yes.
can you talk about that? What happened? What challenges you faced?
I could not clear FRM part one in I was
First attempt.
in first attempt. Then I joined you. Since there, I believe in believe in you. I follow the instruction you given. Every time you just say this is the deadline. You should be over this much, and that helped me a lot. You have
Okay.
given various deadlines. By 31st March, you have to complete these other works. You have to do mock paper like this. I strictly follow you. I do not follow any other. I just stick to you. I follow your instruction thoroughly and give my best.
Okay, but I remember during before the exam,
Yes.
you were slightly tensed,
Yes.
right? What happened? I mean, you were crying also. You were facing some issues. So, क्या हुआ?
Sir, while I was preparing for exam, the some topics I don't remember. I have watched video, read books. Then also I was not remembering. So I was tense. Why I'm not remembering that 1, 2, 3 chapters, 3 to 4 chapters? There, I was panicking then. Oh, I don't know 3 to 4 how this
How
will
will you
happen.
clear the exam?
Yes, yes. I was very tense. 2 to 3 days I wasted this only because I was not able to memorize thing, or I was very tense. For reading other book is not possible for me for 2 to 3 days in that.
Right. Now, when you went to the actual exam on the
Yes.
day of the exam,
Okay.
you started solving. How was that first 1 hour? Was it very tough, very easy?
It was first 1 hour was tough, but I was able to solve 21, 22 questions.
Okay, very good. How many calculation questions were there? How many theory? Out of
25
80?
to 30 was calculation, 50 was a theory.
Okay.
But calculation questions are very easy.
Okay, so you know the formula, so you should be able to answer.
Plug and play. It was plug and play.
Okay.
5 to 7 are that were very difficult.
So out of 25, 5 to 7 questions were tough, rest were manageable.
Yes, manageable.
And what about the theory questions?
Theory also is quite manageable. 10 to 15 questions were very difficult. I was not able to get which one is correct from two options. I can eliminate two options, but I could not eliminate that from two which one is right.
Okay.
I guess then
How many, if you remember, how many questions you had flagged in the exam?
I flagged around 10-15 questions.
When you completed the exam,
Yes.
were you confident that you will clear?
I was not confident.
Okay.
We have to give best which option is according to me is the best. So it was very difficult for me.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is the quartiles? If you remember the quartiles?
Yes, I remember. I got in credit risk. I got 3 quartile.
From market. So market first book. What was the quartile?
Third quartile.
Third. Next credit.
Credit third quartile.
Okay.
Operational second quartile.
Okay. Liquidity.
Liquidity first quartile.
Okay.
Investment risk book second quartile.
Okay.
Current issues first quartile.
Wow. Okay. And investment risk book, you were facing challenge in the start, and you were able to perform very good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, if I ask you to give some tips to our students who are preparing for FRM exam or say level 2 exam, how should they prepare, or what things they should keep in mind?
We have to set a deadline, time limit. Yes, and strictly follow the instruction you give. You have to follow that and believe in yourself and consistency. These are the three things I will suggest. Things will help you a lot.
Right.
Because self belief is a lot. In my opinion, self belief should be there. When I started preparing for FRM Level 2, I have written that I have cleared FRM Level 2 exam. In September 2024, I have written. Okay. And in 25, I have cleared.
Wonderful, wonderful. I am very, very happy that you have been able to clear, and specifically because this exam is very tough. I mean, so many chapters you have to read, to revise, and you have consistently done. There was time when you were facing problem, but you were able to manage it.
Yes.
And like you said, you had done three reading at least, 3 to 4 reading. So I think that is one of the reasons that he has been able to clear the exam. So Om, thank you very much
Thank you,
again
sir.
for taking out time and talking to the audience, because this interview will give a lot of motivation to a lot of students who are preparing for the exams. Right. So
Yes.
thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.